Welcome back to the WatchGecko YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to announce the latest advancement in the Geckota range, with the release of a new watch in the 2019 collection. This is the new Geckota G-02 diver's watch. Designed from the ground up to present the Geckota DNA in its purest form, this 200-meter water-resistant diver's watch aims to offer something unique and different. The particularly designed case of the G-02 aims to make the most out of its asymmetric design, incorporating the design of the crown guards to the opposite side of the case band, yet while being slightly obscured under the bezel. This allows for the hidden details that really play with the light when viewed at different angles. As you have come to expect with Geckota watches, we have used this release as the perfect opportunity to continue developing our quality and execution, meaning that this case is among the most finely finished of our watches, making use of beautiful polished and brushed contrasted details along flowing curves to bring ultimate wearer satisfaction and change your perceptions on what an entry-level luxury watch represents. In addition to the incredible build quality, we have also looked to do something quite different in the bezel by incorporating a sunken sunburst style plate as the base of the bezel, with fine printing and a super lumen overfilled lume pip on top before being coated in fully transparent epoxy resin and polished flat, allowing a vintage reminiscent bezel with a difference. This incredibly lustrous bezel sits upon a heavily polished enamel painted black dial, which is incredibly glossy in appearance and provides a stark contrast against the gilt coloured hands and indices. The G-02 diver's watch comes fitted to a perfect fit beads of rice bracelet with solid end links to complete the luxury styling. We have opted for a pretty universal size, with a 40mm bezel diameter and a 42mm case diameter including the crown guards. It also features a 47mm lug-to-lug length and 13.25mm thickness, meaning it doesn't wear too big on the wrist. With a sapphire crystal on both the front and the back of the watch, and it is powered by the famed ETA 28-24-2 Swiss Made movement. As with all Geckota watches, the G-02 has been created in limited production numbers, ensuring exclusivity and meticulous quality control checks. Only 100 watches per version will be made in each production run, and each watch is individually numbered. All Geckota watches are truly limited models. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts on the G-02 in the comments below, and be sure to check out the listing to learn more of the many details this watch has to offer.